With all the technological advancements, our end is still unpredictable. We never know at which moment some black hole may gulp us or even some unknown rogue planet can come out of nowhere to hit us. Well, the chances for such incidents are extremely low, but still our world is at stake with other dangers which can lead to another mass extinction and wipe out all of humanity. Humans are capable enough to predict earthquakes, hurricanes, and extreme weather conditions, but there are a million other uncertain things that are out of our control. It's obvious that our world is going to end one day, but what would cause this massive destruction to the end of humanity? Well, there are hundreds of possibilities, but here we are going to discuss some major threats to our planet Earth that could lead to its end. Nuclear war. We lost over 85 million people during World War II, but have you ever imagined what could happen if World War III starts? Honestly, we cannot afford World War III because of its destructive circumstances. We all know Albert Einstein from his discoveries in science, but do you know what he quoted about World War III and IV? He said, "I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones." Currently, around 9 countries are nuclear powers and they have enough nuclear bombs to destroy the whole world twice or thrice. If World War III happens and countries start using their nuclear weapons, then nothing can save us from destruction. The smoke and debris will cover the sun and there will be no sign of sunlight. Moreover, there will be freezing temperatures on Earth to freeze all vegetations and living beings. Are you still convinced that we're safe on our beloved planet Earth? Well, keep watching because there is a lot more to come. Giant asteroids. Many conspiracy theories revolve around the internet with news about asteroids heading towards the Earth. Despite all these theories, is it really possible that an asteroid could ever hit our planet? From a scientific point of view, there is 1 in 100 million chance that any asteroid could ever hit our planet. Well, you might think about the mass extinction that happened millions of years ago where all dinosaurs were dead. Maybe they were not lucky enough or it was just a bad year for dinosaurs. A huge asteroid can cause another mass extinction, but this time, there are no dinosaurs to be wiped out. If a giant asteroid somehow hits our planet, then the after effect will be similar to that of nuclear winter. There will be so much debris in the air that we will hardly be able to spot the sun. Thankfully, our technology is advanced enough to spot these giant asteroids from very far distances. If a giant asteroid ever heads towards Earth, then we will be able to spot it before decades or centuries. We will have enough time to respond and maybe we can find some way to destroy that asteroid in space before it hits the Earth. Well, it could be much better if such an event never happens because in most scenarios, humans will be helpless. Gamma ray burst. You might have studied alpha, beta, and gamma. The gamma rays have the highest photon energy because of its short wavelength. Now, imagine a gamma ray burst targeted directly to our planet. Is it even possible, or can aliens cause this massive destruction? We're not sure about the aliens, but gamma ray bursts are a reality in our distant galaxies. These rays are normally 10 quadrillion times more powerful than the energy of the sun. The gamma ray burst originates when 2 stars collapse with each other. Our atmosphere has the capability to protect us against X-rays and gamma rays. But there is a limit to the ozone layer. When a gamma ray burst will hit the Earth, it will also destroy our ozone layer. Without this protective layer, we will easily catch skin cancer and tiny photosynthetic planktons will die. We might not be wiped out instantly, but due to disturbed food chains and direct contact with ultraviolet rays, humanity could end up painfully. A gamma ray burst is not likely to happen because they are observed extremely far away from our planet. The galaxies are too far away that it's even extremely difficult to predict such events. Supervolcano. Let's forget about asteroids' gamma ray burst for a second. Do you know what could be even more dangerous? Yes, a volcanic eruption. Many scientists have proven that the threat of volcanic eruption is far greater than an asteroid strike. Scientists are extremely worried about such a supervolcano underneath Yellowstone National Park. This volcano has the capability to expel 1,000 cubic kilometers of rock and ash at once. If multiple supervolcanoes around the world burst at once, then we could face another mass extinction. The smoke from the volcanic eruption will produce enough particles to block out any sunlight. The temperatures will significantly drop on Earth and both human and plant life will suffer. Sun dies. Our sun is going to die in the next 4 or 5 billion years. Every star has to follow a cycle and our sun will definitely go through that cycle where it will become hotter and hotter. There will be a point when the sun will evaporate all the water in our oceans. The sun will become a red giant and it will sweep Earth along with Mercury and Venus. The Earth will no longer be inhabitable due to extreme high temperatures. Some organisms might also pass that phase, but no other living being will stay alive. We don't have to worry about the sun because such a phenomenon is far away to occur but still is yet to happen. Don't scare yourself with the thoughts of how the world will eventually end. Humanity is already on its way to colonize other planets like Mars. Until then, let's hope for the best and enjoy our lives.